Hey you guys, Joni here. Follow along in this tutorial and I'll show you how I grabbed my nail gun and updated this neat old Ward radio cabinet or acoustic type cabinet. Gave it a new life. So I turned it kind of into a coffee bar, liquor bar with some hidden storage underneath. It was pretty cool. The record player, I want to call it, pulled out. It was gone, it was missing, but it pulled out, and then underneath was just empty space. So I had to add a board underneath it, and that turned into a cabinet, which kind of is hidden. So I thought, wow, that's kind of cool. So if you have an old radio cabinet laying around, here's an idea you can update it. So where the record player went, it had a hole. So I added a board right there, and then I fixed the shelf above it. But you can see the bottom, it's completely empty. That's where the speaker was. So I'm gonna add some boards underneath using my nail gun and some screws. And then I just patch those holes on the outside when I'm done. I laid some MDF down. Because it's hidden, you're not gonna see it. I wasn't too worried about the MDF texture showing. I just ended up painting it Athenian black to match the rest of the black. So there's a little bit of before. So down below, I end up going to the secondhand store down here, finding a frame to replace that speaker area. And I added mercury glass, which is pretty cool. I'll show you that here in a little bit. But I did patch the top. It's pretty beat up. Needed a lot of fixing with, I think I just have Elmer's wood putty is what I'm using right now. But it dries up so fast on these wood putties, I just go from different brand to different brand. So sand down the wood putty and get it prepped for paint, clean it before I paint and everything. I'm using Athenian black, and it takes about 2 coats of paint, and I lightly distress it because it does have flaws. I kind of let those bones of the piece show through and those flaws be okay. Sorry about that background noise too. My daughter is driving around in her little car. So once my second coat was dried, I went in with clear wax and I sealed it. And then I started on the frame. So in that frame I got from the secondhand store, I pulled the glass out and I did a mercury glass finish on it. I've done this on several projects and I love the way mercury glass looks up against Athenian black. I also spray painted those metal pane in a black matte finish, and I liked it with the metal pane better. And then I did the metallic paint, gold metallic paint on the hardware. And gosh, that was the easiest paint job I've done on hardware in a long time. But here is the finished project. It's not perfect. I see its flaws, but I love it. Definitely compared to what it was before. And it has been in my barn for 6 years, believe it or not. And it is time for it to get out. I have just put it off and put it off. And it has went through my storage unit and back to my barn. And I was like, this is the year it is getting out and it's going to our store. So here's the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. If you like that mercury glass or not down below. I think it just kind of adds a pop of wow to it. If you guys liked this tutorial, give it a like, share, and be sure to subscribe. We are almost at 1,000 followers.